Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this beautiful Lotus Backflow Waterfall Incense Burner or Lotus Smoke Fountain by recycling old plastic bottle and using homemade cold porcelain clay and homemade ceramic clay. So let's get started. Starting by taking an old plastic bottle, and I mark the required portion that I want to cut out of it using a precision knife. If you are new to the channel, it's so great to have you here. So subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so that you never missed any of my latest videos. Also using a piece of plastic to make strips for making small shelves on the bottle so that we can later put lotus on it. So after measuring and cutting, we got 3 strips, and then inserting these strips into the bottle and sticking them using glue gun. And this is how we get 3 small shelves on the bottle for holding lotus. Further shaping the bottle using scissors. Since our plastic bottle is flimsy and we want a solid structure, so I am using my homemade ceramic clay for making base. So first applying white glue on the bottle and then rolling thin sheet of clay with the help of rolling pin. And then covering the entire bottle using these clay sheets. After covering the entire bottle using clay sheet, I am smoothing it with water. In the similar way, I covered the back portion of the bottle and let it dry for 24 hours. Now using homemade cold porcelain clay for making lotus flower. So taking a portion of clay and making small petals like so. In a similar way, I make more of them. Now taking a small portion of clay and arranging the petals around this portion to make a flower. I made 3 such flowers and let them dry for 24 hours. Again taking portion of clay to make leaves of the lotus. Making some veins on the leaves using a tool. In the similar way, I make more of them and putting them in the tray so that they hold their structure. In the similar way, I make small buds and keep them aside for drying. Now smoothing our base using a sandpaper. And after smoothing it, it's time to color it. So first I'm coloring the entire base using black color. Painting flower using pink color. Adding some shades of red and white. Now making hole in one of the flower for the smoke of the incense to come down easily. Painting leaves with light green color and adding some shades of dark green to it. And now it's time to assemble all the elements to the base. So I'm using white glue and homemade cold porcelain clay for sticking all the elements. First sticking leaves. And then top of the leaves I'm sticking a flower. Sticking the flower with the hole on the top. In the similar way, I stick all the elements. And after sticking all the elements completes our project, let's have a look at the final product. And now it's time to put incense stick on it. I'm so happy how it turned out. It is so peaceful to watch this waterfall. I hope you guys love this idea and will give it a try. And if you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share your valuable feedbacks. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so that you don't miss out my latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.